Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you. It's very beautiful, beginner friendly crochet flower. You can use it in different crochet projects for baby caps, headbands, etc. I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm, and I am using a 3-ply yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around fingers like this. Pull the second yarn through first one to make a magic ring like this. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, which will be counted as a treble crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn twice around the crochet hook, go into this magic ring, draw up a loop. We have 4 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops, and then through other 2 loops to make a treble crochet or a triple crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn twice again, go into the magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through last 2 loops. Wrap the yarn twice again, go into the magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops, then through other 2, and then through last 2. Make treble crochet stitch into the magic ring again, and we have total of 5 stitches including first 4 chains. Now pull the yarn a little bit, remove the crochet hook, take the crochet hook into the 4th chain, pull the loop back and pull it through 4th chain like this to make popcorn stitch. Then make 2 chains, wrap the yarn twice again, make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, treble crochet 3, treble crochet 4, and then last one treble crochet 5. After making 5 treble crochet stitches, pull the yarn, remove the hook, take the hook through first stitch, pull the loop back on the hook and pull it through the last and first stitch to make a popcorn stitch like this. Make 2 chains again and make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, treble crochet 3, treble crochet 4, and then treble crochet 5. Pull the yarn, go through first stitch, pull this loop back on the hook and pull it through first stitch. We have 3 popcorn stitches here. Make total of 8 in this ring. Now pull the starting yarn and close this magic ring. Make chain 1 and then chain 2, and we are going to make a slip stitch at the top of this popcorn stitch right here. So at the top, make a slip stitch, and now for the second round we are going to work in chain 2 space. Make 4 chains and in this chain 2 space, make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, treble crochet 3, treble crochet 4. After making 4 treble crochet stitches, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, and we are going to make a slip stitch on the top of next treble crochet stitch. This is a little bit tricky part, so make a slip stitch at the top of this treble crochet stitch, make 4 chains, and we are going to work into the next chain 2 space for the second petal. Make treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, treble crochet 3 and then treble crochet 4, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and a slip stitch on the top of this next treble crochet stitch, popcorn stitch, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and treble crochet 1, treble crochet 2, treble crochet 3, treble crochet 4 into the next chain 2 space, then make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4 and a slip stitch at the top of next popcorn stitch. So make these petals in every chain 2 space till the end. I have made all petals. In the end, we are going to make a slip stitch at the top of the first popcorn stitch. Pull this yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand, and now with the help of needle we are going to attach a bead in the center with the starting yarn and weave this ending yarn end as well with the help of needle. So I have woven the yarn ends and flower is ready, which is bigger in size from the first one, which is made with smaller size crochet hook. So according to your project you can make it even bigger or smaller in size. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe